Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be fixing this slime. So I actually, I'm gonna just try to make this thing stand. Oop, not my iPad. Like this. Yeah, okay. So basically I got it from Girl Scout, and the woman who made it, she didn't really know how to make slime. So it's kind of overactivated. So yeah. It's kind of a pretty pink color. It's not so pink anymore. I added pink paint to it because I wanted to. It made my slime a little hard, but it was hard before, and now it's even rippy. So anyways, I'm going to get this little bowl. I cannot film anything with the sand. Oopsies. Okay, so I'm going to scooch over here. So basically I have this and this. I'm going to add some glue. Glue puff up. And I'm going to mix it up. Ew. So like this. Oh my gosh. It's still a little rippy. I have no bro. I think it might need more glue. It's obviously a lot stretchier than it was before. So that's a win. I'm gonna start it here. Squish. So you guys might be wondering why I'm uploading it on a weekday. It's because it's Memorial Day, guys. Oh my gosh. You guys, I just have to deal with it because I lost my stand. Ooh, sad. It's kind of hard to fix slime like this. I wish I had a camera, dude, like most people do. I got inspired by, who's it called? Anna and Aaron from Peachy Babies, but for some reason they're not there anymore. That makes me kind of sad. And shout out to, I cannot pronounce her name. I think it's Aria Ava. But anyways, I'm going to put her name in hashtag. So slay. She doesn't have to subscribe or anything. I just want her to comment. Because I barely have any people commenting on my vids. Cries. But I have no haters, so that's good. Oh my gosh. She said that we have to be consistent, but I have so much after school activities that I actually can't be consistent. So yeah, but I love my after school activities. Light. It smells terrible. I'm gonna add some more glue to this because it's still so rippy. I think I might have to use the whole bottle. I was planning on making slime with this glue, But no, because the slime needed help, like ASAP. We originally had clear slime, but like just clear. It did not have any color, but I didn't like it like that. Oh, by the way, I'm introducing you all. Oop. I need to charge, so stay with me. Where is my charger? Okay, one second. I know y'all love my sound effects, you know? I have to introduce you guys to Alfred the Bob. His name is a beautiful name. I named him, obviously. Oh my gosh. Oh my... Dude, stop. Okay, there we go. So basically, it's more stretchy, but it still needs more glue. Oh. Oopsies. Like, bro was chilling and he was like, no. That's basically me for school. I mean, I kind of like school, but not that much. Because school is so repetitive. It's like, do the same thing every single week. Ugh. But I don't like how reading is at the end of the day for me. Because, like, I barely pay attention to reading. And it's kind of boring. Because it's kind of easy. Guys, if you want to know my username for Roblox, it's Poonie99. I don't change my username because I like it like that. I don't know, I just like to stick with things. I don't like changes. It's not a very good slime. Add white glue. You know what? We just have to go. It's getting invaded by glue. I wish I had clay right now. So then it will be more like a buttery texture. Why is it kind of focused on the glue? Like, glue's not that important, camera. This is my favorite slime because most of my slime is dried out. Look, it used to be this color, just my oobleck. Used to be that color. Now it just looks like kind of like a gray. You see? You see what I mean? I mean, it looks more gray on camera, but it's still gray, you know? It's stretchier now. More glue. It's like, bro, stop giving me glue. And I'm like, no. You have to eat the glue, slime. Or else I'm just wasting my glue and not even getting to make another slime with it. So, yeah. My friend from Girl Scout added so much slime, so much glue that her slime turned into basically rubber. You see, like that. Except mine is more stretchy than hers. Ooh, rubbers. Oh, I can't. I remember you can't. Boop. Enough glue now. I have like no more glue left, bro. I like to add shaving cream to mine, but I'm not gonna add it to this one because what if the shaving cream makes it worse and I have to restart the process? Ew, it feels like guts. Like, nah, I'm for real. Oh my gosh, bro. The camera is like, dude, just stop moving me. Stop. No, you're not following again. Stop. You know what, camera? You're making me very rageful. There, it's diagonal, so I can at least film something. I can't do anything to improve the color. Well, maybe I can. What do I have? Well, first we have to make it smell good. Should I make it smell like lily? Let me smell lily first. Lily. Yeah, Mama? And it smells good enough. Oops, too much scent. I made one of my slimes smell like lavender, my favorite smell. Lavender is my favorite flower and smell. Lavender is my favorite. Bro, it keeps on saying move back to improve focus. You're not focusing on this either way, bro. Oop. Dude, stop saying that. You know what? I'm just gonna hold this. Oh, you guys like my Labubu. Her name is Bubblegum. I know you do. So basically, do I have paper in this? Okay, don't know how that got in. We're using my motion. This thing. Bro, seriously. We're just gonna do the cable. We're just gonna do like that. So, it smells great now. It's just the color. I'm gonna go see if my clay is dry. A little bit more glue. Mix it up. Guys, by the way, I'm not showing my face because I'm a hot mess right now. Because I just don't want to brush my hair. No judging. And I'm also in my pajamas. No judging, people. I know you secretly are in your pajamas and watching this right now. But you just don't want me to know. So no judging me. one that I use. Okay. So basically, I have this clay that claims to be a slime, but it's just a clay. Guys, don't get tricked by things calling themselves slime, but they're just clay. I didn't buy it, my classmate got it for me. Just adding lotion in this because I can. And it makes it less like hard. It takes ages though to like mix it fully in there. Is anyone in the comments who also watches Mariah in like Erin and Anna's channel or the Mushikins channel? Cause like I watch them and they're hilarious. Guys, who else didn't know until like a month ago that Mariah has a twin? Like, I didn't know that. So now more stretchy, and this is a red color, so I think it can do for like clay purposes and color purposes. I don't have pink clay though. Who else been playing with slime since they're 5? Because I have been. But it's so much like more like clay now. I feel like this slime, aka clay, has like 90%, 95% clay and 5% slime. Cause it's actually stretchy, but like time to add it. I'm gonna mix it up. Uh-oh, it's turning red. I don't like the color red. I mean, it looks more orange on camera, but it looks a little pink. It's more like a coral pink. You guys know what I'm saying? Comment down below if you don't, because sometimes people are like, what are you talking about? And I'm like, don't you get it? And they're like, no, I don't get it. And I'm like, bro. Dude, the light won't turn on because my hands are too oily. Thanks to the lotion. Look how orange it is on the camera. Look how much my slime has improved. I think this is absolutely a Slimeee. Guys, name my slime down below. I'm thinking Alfred on milk. Alfred on strawberry milk. I'm actually enjoying this one. Okay. Guys, you hear that bubble pop? The clay helped so much. It looks orange on camera, but it's like more pinky red, which I like. I don't really like how it looks on camera. I mean, I like orange, but the camera is just like not really showing its real color. It looks better on camera actually though. Look. Look. Guys, do you see its real color now? Ooh, did you guys see my dogs? Put them dogs away, Chloe. By the way, that's not my real name. It's just my nickname. You know? I like having nicknames. My friend Oreo, I'm not going to tell you guys her real name. But anyways, she was in another of my video. Pack with me for Girl Scout. Oh, guys, I have to do a Q&A for Girl Scout. I feel like most people are like, do you like Girl Scout? Of course I like Girl Scout. If I didn't like Girl Scout, why am I in there? Like, bro, isn't it obvious? Oh my gosh, it's just a black screen. It took like 23 minutes to like make this slime good again. And that's because I have so much like failed camera things. I don't know how to explain it. Tell me if you know how to explain it because I obviously don't. But it's so much better. Let me smell. Ooh, it smells good. So, bye.